Hello, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana ba'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan? Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Virgo. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. May you have a very good Christmas this year and God bless you po. O na mensahe ninyo, Queen of Cups. Ayan, so napipick up ko rito, Virgo. This is someone, and this could be your mom, or this could be someone na mother figure ninyo, na tinuturing ninyo mother figure that is there for you. Or maaaring you are there for her, no? Maaaring siya ang focus ninyo sa ngayon, no? Maaaring inaalagaan ninyo ito, si mother ninyo. What else? We have the sun. Wow, you are so blessed, no? On Christmas Day, Virgo, you are going to be filled with joy and happiness. You are going to be blessed, no? Magiging masaya-masaya ka, ibig sabihin ito na maganda ang inyong sitwasyon, maganda ang inyong pakiramdam. Yung mga prayers ninyo siguro, maybe they're already answered, kaya sobrang saya ninyo. Mababalot kayo dito ng liwanag, no? Lahat ng swerte, good luck, good fortune, happiness, joy, material and financial success, no? Nandiyan dyan, mapupunta sa inyo. Seven of Pentacles. Ayan. So, dito naman sa Seven of Pentacles, maybe you have vision dito that you are, waiting to come to fruition. No? So, siguro, napagtrabahuan nyo na to. You work hard for this. And maybe now you are just waiting for the fruit of your labor. You are just waiting for the fruit, no? Ng inyong mga pagsisikap at pagtsatsaga at paghihirap, no? What else for Virgo? We have the High Priestess. And so si High Priestess, this is an invitation for you to listen and follow what your intuition is telling you. Kasi maaaring meron mga divine guidance na binibigay sa inyo ngayon ng universe, no? Maaaring yan ay dasal ninyo, hinihingi ninyong guidance, or this could be kailangan nyo talaga ng guidance ngayon, kaya yung universe pinapadalhan na kayo ng downloads and guidance para magkaroon kayo ng ilaw, no? Kung saan kayo pupunta, ang dapat ninyong gawin, something like that, no? Pay attention to your dreams as well, Virgo. Maaaring merong mga panaginip din kayo lately, and those panaginip are also naglalaman ng impormasyon na gagabay din sa inyo sa inyong mga sitwasyon sa ngayon. Nine of Swords. Stressed out kayo, Virgo. Maaaring nai-stress kayo dito sa Queen of Cups. Maaaring siya yung sanhi ng iyong stress. Baka hindi kayo nakakatulog na maayos. So, you're physically stressed, burnout, drained, mga ganon, energy drained, Maaari talaga na iba sa inyo, inaalagaan ninyo yung mom ninyo, and maybe hindi kayo nakakatulog na maayos, hindi kayo nakakahinga ng maayos, yung bang restricted kayo, no? Yung oras ninyo hindi ninyo hawak, yung ganun ba, kaya siguro nai-stress kayo. What else? We have the World. Wow, there is ending and beginning rito, Virgo. There could be a lot of accomplishments, achievements, mga ginagawa ninyo in the past, mga pinagtatrabahuan ninyo in the past. Maybe now is the time that you are going to complete them, accomplish them, achieve them. Kaya naman, marami kayong tagumpay, Pagtatagumpayan ninyo ang mga ito, and you're going to receive the fruit of your labor. You're going to receive yung success ninyo. You're going to claim your victory, sa ngayon, Virgo, so which is really good. Travel. The international travel is also imminent for some of you rito. So, napakaganda. What else? We have Judgment. And so, merong nakaraan, merong parte ng inyong nakaraan. This could be relationship na kailangan na ninyong attend to. You need to attend to it right now, Kasi siguro, tapos na to, nakaraan na to, pero maaaring naaapektuhan pa rin kayo nito sa ngayon. And even yung disposition ninyo sa buhay, decision ninyo sa buhay, maybe it's still affected by this part of your life na nakaraan na. So, this is an important judgment call para sa inyo. For for you to attend to siya ngayon. You need to address, no, kung ano man ang sitwasyon na to. Dahil maaaring nakaka-apekto ito sa inyo na malaki sa ngayon. We have 6 of Cups. Ayan, so merong reunion dito, merong pagtitipon. Some of you are coming home or spending time with your family, yung ganon. Maybe you're also visiting your mom, you're visiting your siblings, visiting your kids, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Probably then, ang iba sa inyo dito, yung pamilya ninyo siguro, kailangan kayo sa ngayon ng inyong pamilya. And you will be there, no? To support them. You will be there to provide the support that they need. So, napaka-swerte ng pamilya ninyo because they have you, no? Na laging handang sumuporta, tumulong, or nandiyan dyan to provide whatever they need. No, Virgo. What else? We have King of Cups. Ayan. So, merong commitment dito. Maybe this is related to relationship. Ang iba siguro sa inyo dito, baka merong marriage proposal, no? Baka mag-aasawa ng iba sa inyo dito. Maybe you are committing with your person na sa ngayon. Magla-level up na kayo ng inyong commitment with your person. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.